Welcome to Cappadocia, Turkey. A land where natural beauty and ancient history come together to create a mesmerizing landscape unlike any other. Famous for its breathtaking hot air balloon rides, Cappadocia offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience as you soar above the fairy chimneys and valleys. These iconic fairy chimneys were formed over millions of years through volcanic activity and erosion, creating a landscape that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale. The Göreme National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to ancient cave dwellings and churches carved into the soft volcanic rock. From the Love Valley to the Rose Valley, each area in Cappadocia tells its own unique story, with colors and shapes that change with the light of the day. As the day comes to an end, the setting sun casts a golden glow over the landscape, creating a perfect end to your Cappadocian adventure. Thank you for joining us on this aerial journey through Cappadocia. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more incredible drone footage from around the world.